Yes, now dear students, in previous class we discussed about 3-digit numbers. So we learn what 3-digit numbers, so ones place, tens place and hundreds place, and how to compare the two numbers, and how to write numerals into words, and how to write words into numerals. Everything we discuss. Once again we recapitulate what we learned in previous classes in 3-digit numbers. So here, for example, three hundred and five. This is our 3-digit number. So this is the ones place. This one is the tens place. This one is the hundreds place. So like ones place. In ones place we have 5, in tens place we have 0, and in hundreds place we have 3. Then how to write this number into words? So in words, $305. So how to write this into words? 305. So for example, one more. This is also our 3-digit number. So then how to read this 3-digit number? This is first, we have to write the place values. First, second, third. This is in ones place. This is in tens place. This is in hundreds place. Then you have to make the box like this and write these 3-digit numbers into words. Then how to write 900 976 70. So this, when the numerals are given, then we have to write words in this form like this. First, so we have to write the ones, tens, 100. Then after that we read how to read. Then 305. There is no tens place, so we go for unit place, ones place. That is 305. Here in the second example, this is our second example. In our second example, 976. This is our 3-digit number, 976. So then 6 is in ones place, and 7 is in tens place, and 9 is in hundreds place. Then how to read this number? 976. In this format, we have to write the given numerals into words. So this already we completed in our previous class. Then again we comparing quantities also we completed. So how we compare if two numbers are given? So which one is the greater than and which one is the less than? So that one once we recapitulate. So how? Now, see here students, then how to compare the quantities if two quantities are given? So for example, 942, 924. In these two, when these two numbers are given, then how to compare? So using greater than symbol, less than symbol, equal to symbol. We have to use these three symbols and we have to show which one is the greater than or less than or equal to, whatever it is. How to check? How to check which one is greater than or which one is lesser than? Here, first we go from hundreds digit. So what is there here? 9 in the hundreds digit. Here also 9 is there in 100 digits. Both are same. If both are same, then we go for second. So what is the second number here? Second digit, that is 4. Here what is the second digit here? 2. In these two are equal. Then we move for the second one. In this second one, 4 and 2. In 4 and 2, which one is the bigger? 4 is the bigger. 4 is the larger number. So it means this is the larger number. This is the larger number. So we have to use this symbol. 942 is greater than, this is the greater than 924. Like this we have to compare. If two numbers are given, which type of numbers? 3-digit numbers. 3-digit. When 3-digit numbers are given, three digit numbers are given, then how to compare which one is the greater than and which one is the less than? So then first we go for from hundreds place, 100 digit. Then compare here, according to this 100 digit, 9 is here and here also 9 is there. Both are same, then we go for second, that is 10th digit. Here 4 is there and here 2 is there. In 10th digit, this one is the bigger, so that is why this is the bigger number. So in this way we compare two numbers, two 3-digit numbers. Then in the second example, 794 526. Then this is also one of our examples. Then this is our 3-digit numbers. These are our 3-digit numbers. Then how to compare? So we start from first, means hundreds place. Here hundreds place is 7. Here hundreds place is 5. In hundreds place we have 7 and 5. In 7 and 5, 7 is the greater value. So this number is bigger than this number. If bigger than, we have to use the greater than symbol. Then 794 is greater than 794 is greater than 196 and 296. These two types of numbers. This, if one number is 296, other number is 296. Then how to check? The same way. Here hundreds digit, here hundreds digit. Both are same. In tens, 9 is there, same, and again in 6. Both are same. Means all the 3 digits are same. If all the 3 digits are same, then we use is equal to symbol. This symbol we have to use. Then it means they are equal. In this way we have to decide which one is the bigger and which one is the smaller. If equal to, then we use equal to symbol. So this is the comparing. What we learn? Recapitulate. Already we discussed 3-digit numbers. In that, first how to write in words if the numeral is given, 3-digit numeral is given. In the second, how to compare if two 3-digit numbers are given, then how to compare these 3-digit numbers using greater than, equal to and less than symbol. Yes friends, then please an example 4. So suppose one question is 272, 294. These two 3-digit numbers are given. Then how to compare? In the same way. So what we discussed, we go from 100 digit. So here what is the 100 digit? 2 is there. Here what is there in 100 digit? 2 is there. Both are equal. Then we see the 10th digit. What is there in 10th digit? This is 7 and this is 9. In 7 and 9, which one is the bigger? 9 is the bigger. This is the bigger number. It means 294 is bigger than this. It means 272 is smaller than this. Here we have to use less than symbol. 272 is less than. This is less than 294. So like this we have to use greater than symbols, less than symbols and equal to symbols. These are the method how to compare if 3-digit numbers are given. So now dear students, listen. So write the numerals for the given names. Some given names given A, B, C, D. We have to write these names into numerals. Convert these names into numerals. Then how to convert? So these all are recapitulated. So these all are 3-digit numerals. Then when 3-digit numerals are given, then first we have to write ones place, tens place, hundreds place. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, ones place, tens place, hundreds place, ones place, tens place, hundreds place. Now, then how to write these numerals? So first read here, 683. 6 is in hundreds place, means in hundreds place we have to write 6. 683. 83. Here 8. Here 3. 683. Now here 400. What is there in hundreds place? 4. In hundreds place 4. 53. 53. In tens place 5 and in ones place 3. In the same way 400. In hundreds place 4. In hundreds place 4. 90. 90 means in tens place 9. In ones place 0. This is 490. Here 800. 800. In hundreds place 8 is there. Here 5 is given. This is the single digit. When last single digit is there, that we have to write in ones place. 5. 805. Here one number is missing. In that we keep 0. Once again listen. 800. In hundreds place 8 is there. In hundreds place 8 is there. Then after that 5. 5 means this is the single digit. Single digit comes in the ones place. So 5. In tens place nothing, no number is there. It means 0 we have to write in the tens digit. This is the way. Then when names are given, then we have to convert these names into numerals in this way. So as this complete all recapitulation. So in that recapitulation, 3 digit numbers are recapitulating. So in that ones, tens, hundreds will come. Ones, tens, hundreds will come. Ones, tens, hundred. First we arrange 1, tens, 100 digit, and after that we have to check in what number comes in 100 digit and what number comes in tens and what number comes in ones place. So in this way, so we convert the given names into numerals. This is the method to convert numerals into names into numerals. So what we discuss? We discuss numerals, we convert numerals into names and names into numerals and comparing. So greater than, using greater than symbol, using less than symbol, using equal to symbol. These three things again we recapitulating. So this is the method. Then how to write the names into numerals, numerals into names and comparing. Thank you. Now friends, now before we recapitulate 3-digit numerals, now our topic is 4-digit numerals numbers. So in that, then how? So what is the highest, means largest 3-digit numeral? That is 999. This is the greatest, means largest 3-digit numeral. So this is 9 is there in ones place, and one more 9 is in tens place, and one more 9 is in hundreds place. This is the largest 3-digit numeral. Then if we add 1 to this number, then what happened? Check it. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 means here 0, here borrow, carry on. And again 9 plus 1, 10, 0 here, 1 here. 9 plus 1, 10. This is first place, second place, third place and fourth place. Now if we add 1 to largest 3-digit numeral, then that will convert into 4-digit numeral, that is 0, 0, 0 and 1. Then how to read this number? So This place value, we know this is ones place, this is the place value, tens place, this is the place value, hundreds place, and the fourth one, so what we are going to learn, so that is the thousands place. This is thousands place. The fourth, what we are going to learn, that is the fourth digit, one more extra digit we are going to learn, that is the thousands place. First place is ones place, second place is tens place, third place is hundred place, and the fourth place is thousands place. So this is the 4-digit number. So when if we add 1 to largest 3-digit numeral, that is 3-digit number, then that convert into 4-digit number. So how? Like this, 1 0 0 1. Then this is ones place, this is tens place, this is hundreds place. The last one, the fourth, the new what we are going to learn, that is thousands place. So this is 1000. How to read this? This is 1. 1 is in thousands place, then 1, 1000. After 1000 all are zeros. So we have to write this like this, 1000. There is no other number here. So how can we write 1000? This is the 4-digit numeral. This is the smallest 4-digit numeral. Why? Very next 999, very next we will get 1000, that is 4-digit numeral. The first 4-digit numeral is 1000. So that is why this is the smallest 4-digit numeral.